How to fix Instagram camera long face on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram camera long face on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any update here for Instagram, then click on it. It's easy. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you need to do just go back, restart your phone and go to settings, and then battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled, and that's it. Then close all the applications in the background. And if that also doesn't fix it, if you have an iPhone, uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And if you have an Android, go to apps and then apps again, Instagram. Now click for stop and go to storage, clear data. You will need to log in again after that, but that will fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and see you in the next video.